just starting a YouTube channel, you just need the basics.
If you're a beginner or you're just starting out on YouTube, the number one thing that you need is a way to film yourself. The first thing that you should do is just use your cell phone.
Which can be your iPhone, your Android, whatever. I have it hooked onto the top of a selfie stick. Okay, I unscrewed it off the top of a selfie stick and I put it on top of a little tripod. That's all you need for that. Put it on a table or put it on top of some books, point it at yourself and shoot and make your videos.
You can use the front camera, you can use the back camera, it doesn't matter. The quality is going to be great, whether it's what's called 720p, 1080p, it really doesn't matter.
The other thing you're going to need is a microphone. There are 3 different kinds of microphones you can use with your phone. One is your earbuds. You can get earbuds that are Bluetooth and use them with the phone as a microphone. Number 2, depending on what kind of phone you have, if you can plug into a jack in your phone, you can plug in a small microphone like this one, which is a ball mic made by Shure, or you can use a larger mic, which is the Yeti, the blue Yeti.
And it has multiple settings, and that also is USB and plugs right into your computer or tablet. And you can plug in a microphone or you can use a Bluetooth microphone. Either one, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that you have sound, and it's good sound, because that's the number one thing that people will click away from your video for. So you must have good sound. The third thing is a tripod. The fourth thing that you want to have is lighting. I right now have natural light from the window. I also have on the right side of me an LED light that is lighting up my background. That's all the light that I have on me. You don't need to have even the LED light. You can use natural light from a window. Just make sure that if you use the natural light from a window, you use it at the same time every day, or your lighting is going to be crazy. And those are the main things that you need as a beginner. So as a starter or a beginner on YouTube, what do you need? You need your cell phone, you need a microphone, you need a tripod, some kind of lighting, and you're set.